Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore props. Props is a special word in React. It stands for properties. Props are used to pass data from one component to another. Before showing you how props work, first I'd like to delete our app component. It is just distracting at this point. Not delete, we can just comment it out. So we are left with only these two paragraphs. Now, after this, what is up people, I want to render a text. The what is up people text is inside our people component, and I want to render please subscribe after this text, which I want to be inside of hello world. So in order to pass a text from hello world parent component to the people child component, we can use props. Props looks like an HTML attribute, and we can basically name them anything we want. In my case, I will be passing a text, so it's only logical that I name it text. And inside of this text prop, I want to write please subscribe. Please subscribe. Now inside of our people component, we need to grab this prop. So props, and we want the text after what is a people, so we can just write props.text. Because our prop is called text, we are using props.text. Now if we go back to our browser, we can see it actually didn't work, and we don't really want props.text. We actually want what is inside of our prop, which is please subscribe. The reason that it didn't work is that this whole p tag, it is actually JSX, and if we want to write JavaScript inside of JSX, we have to put curly brackets. So if I wrap this with a curly bracket and then save and get back to our browser, we can see that it's working fine, and we get our please subscribe text. We can give one more prop to a component if we want to. So back in our code, I will just give our people component another prop, and I will call it link. Inside of link, there will be a text saying visit latenightcoder.com. Now I will come back to the people component, and after this props.text, I will give it a full stop, and then I will write props.link. So if I check the browser now, you can see that visit latenightcoder.com. So when we have a lot of props, this will get kind of annoying. See how we have to write props dot the props name every time we have to render something. So what we can do is we can destructure our props. And the way we can do it is that we have to put curly brackets, and inside of it, we have to specify the name of the props exactly the way it is. So we had two props, one is text and one is link. That's it. We no longer need to write props. So text and link, and that works perfectly. This is a much cleaner solution, as we don't have to repeat props every time. If we want to, we can destructure it in another way. Instead of destructuring here, what we can do is we can just grab props from there, and we can just destructure it later. So we have basically destructured our props. This will work perfectly as well if we check our browser. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.